Okay, so hey everybody, it's me, Joey here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my brand new American Girl doll that I just got today. Now, I know you're looking at her and I would have done an unboxing video, but sadly I bought her off of Facebook and there is kind of a small story behind her, and I think she's a really pretty doll that a lot of people don't have in this condition or don't have her at all, and I feel like I should really share some of the things about her. First things first, when I posted that I purchased this doll on Instagram, a lot of you guys were messaging me and you're like, oh my god, brand new Nicki's cost like $500. How could you pay for that? That's crazy. And literally, I have always wanted Nicki. There were a couple of YouTubers that really made me want her. One of them was definitely Forever AG's. I just, like, she would use Nicki every once in a while and I thought that she was just so gorgeous. But I wanted a new Nicki because of these curls. They are literally so cute and they obviously need to be brushed out, just because I just got her and I have been playing with her. But I know that new Nicki sell for literally like $500 to $300, and that's very expensive. So I always go on Facebook and I just scroll through the marketplace, and all of a sudden I saw Nicki with her hairnet on, her boot things. Hold on. This is what I meant by like the boot things. They like cover the boots so that they don't get like ruined or like damaged from the strings. She still had that on. She still had this little thing around her neck, the foam piece. And initially, because I saw the hairnet, I assumed that she had came back from the doll hospital and they just threw her a meat outfit and said that she was new. But I knew that the doll hospital doesn't put those foam pieces on your dolls, and now I obviously know she wasn't. But I messaged them and I was kind of like, hey, you know, is this doll available? They said yes, and I paid $95 for her. A brand new, never hairnet was never removed on Miss Nicki. She was brand new. I paid $95 for her, which is such a good deal, like a genuine, like, oh my god, one of the best deals I've ever gotten. And I'm so happy with her. I picked her up today. I made the deal yesterday with the woman. So it definitely went by very, very fast. Now, when I got her, I thought that maybe I was wrong and her hairnet had been removed, but her little boot things, like the protectors, were you could tell there was no tape peeled off in her hairnet. Now I can obviously tell by the way her hair is laying and how curly it is, and just the way the hair is laying is obviously fresh out of a hairnet. Her skin still has that like fresh doll feel, if you know what I mean, when they're just fresh out of the box. There's no oil from your skin on them. The only thing that she had that was actually like damaged is Nicki's book, and it has a dent in it. Nicki's book has not even been opened, and I feel like that was when I was like, okay, this doll was not used, because obviously her book was never opened. And I kind of have a feeling that possibly, because I asked her if she still had the box and she said no, she was selling some other dolls, so I think that Nicki's box might have gotten smashed and she just opened her, which I understand. But I'm going to be showing you guys some like things about her, I guess. So the first thing that you kind of notice is her curls. I think that's why a lot of people love her. I personally love her, just her blue eyes, her freckles, and her hair. I think were definitely a really good combination. As you can see, she just has these full bouncy curls that are just so gorgeous, and I feel like she's so unappreciated. So her meat outfit, I know a lot of people want, or they already have. Her shirt, I've noticed, does not wrinkle or ride up in any photos that I've ever seen, and it's actually a bodysuit. I don't know if you can see this, but her shirt goes and connects to the underwear, which I personally like, because whenever I'm taking photos and they're sitting and then they're standing, their outfits tend to get really ruffled, and it's just annoying when I only have an hour to take photos. It definitely uses up my time. Her skirt is very well made. I think the skirt feels such good quality. The belt is attached. You can't unattach it. It has Velcro in the back. It's definitely the old agey quality. Same thing with the shirt. The shirt is just amazing. These buttons aren't real. But this is just amazing quality. Even the boots, I mean, I could go on and on about these. They have the stitching, I mean, not the stitching, I don't know what this is called, but it's like a lace, it's like embroidered, I don't know, but they have this detail. They're so gorgeous. I don't know, they feel like pleather, but they are just gorgeous. Even the sides of the shoes, like this detail they didn't even have to add in, but they did. It's definitely something that they wouldn't do now, and she's just so gorgeous. So another thing that I really wanted to show you guys, because no one I know has ever mentioned this, and I think that it is super cool. So obviously, because she was new, she came with this. Now many of you, oh wow, one of her hair pieces is in that. That's kind of gross. So many of my newer collectors that, you know, watch my videos probably don't even know what this is. American Girl used to include these with every doll, and they were basically like a hair care and a doll care tip booklet, and they just told you like what to do if you ever need to wash your doll's hair, and this elastic wrapped around their wrist. The reason why I love it and a lot of people miss it is it makes them, these dolls are basically luxury items. Let's all be honest, you're paying over $100 for them. You're literally buying the Gucci item of toys. Like that's what it is. And obviously, you know, this is something that they normally include in something like that. Like a lot of luxury items come with a care card and an authenticity card. They don't, but like obviously this is pretty much as close as you can get to it. And in this, I kept rambling. It says, if your American Girl doll has pierced whoa, I messed that up. I'm so sorry. If your American Girl doll has earrings, do not try to remove them. They are permanently attached to the doll. So I don't know if you guys can read that. Feel free to pause. What this is about is a long time ago, the American Girl dolls, only one of them had pierced ears. And that was one of the Truly Me dolls back then, was either Girl of Today or Just Like You. I believe it was Just Like You. And there was only one doll with pierced ears, and her earrings did not come out. And I think that is just so cute and just so special. And if you have that doll with the earrings attached, I think that's like really cool for you. But I just thought that was like a really cool touch that this was probably only in this little pamphlet for a couple years, and they stopped including these little hand things in, I think it was 2018, which is kind of upsetting just because that shows the, like, it's something that they include that obviously doesn't really matter, and we're all either, unless you display your dolls in a display case, you might leave it on them, but for most of us it's kind of going to sit in the boxes. But it does matter a lot because it's kind of something that just, it shows that you care about the quality. And I don't know, I definitely really miss them, but it's okay. But yeah, no, so back to the doll. I'm really happy with her, and I'm kind of excited to like record more videos with her. And I love her a lot. So this is just kind of an update video. I'm aware that I haven't uploaded in literally probably a year, but I promise I will get back into it. Comment down below if you guys want me to start doing like hauls. I get dolls pretty frequently, so I can definitely upload hauls all the time, honestly. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I think you guys would enjoy that. So yeah, without further ado, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this Nicki as much as I do, and bye guys.